The atheism thing, maths. I've also got another video on atheism dealing with logic, but in this one I must say I'm bemused by the atheist's incredible grasp of the field of mathematics, and they are so proud of it. Professors at universities strut out their chests as they proudly apply it, and their students are so chuffed with themselves for grasping it. Now, if I asked a 5-year-old, how many apples would I have if I took an empty apple basket and added its contents to another empty apple basket? I would not be surprised at all if that 5-year-old looked at his father and said, "Daddy, I think this man, something wrong in his head." That 5-year-old knows that there would be no apples, no matter how many empty apple baskets I had. But take that same child 20 years later, after having been indoctrinated and brainwashed by school teachers and by that proud university professor, and suddenly you find that 0 plus 0, 0 times 0, no longer equals 0, the most basic of mathematical equations. Suddenly, nothing plus nothing no longer equals nothing. Suddenly you find that nothing times nothing suddenly equals 10 to the power of 78 atoms in the known universe. Or nothing times nothing suddenly equals 200 billion trillion stars, is the figure that I found when I googled up this figure. Talk about blind faith. Talk about a misgrasp of basic mathematics. Suddenly, no one using nothing, can suddenly equate to 10 times to the 78 atoms, and suddenly no one using nothing can suddenly bring forth 200 billion trillion stars. Talk about blind faith. That's it. Atheism is an absolute travesty of logic, of truth, of anything that makes sense. You may also be interested, as I said earlier on, my video on the logic of atheism. And for those who want more scientific type of data, more complicated types of data, there's a Stephen C. Meyer that's written books on this topic, incredible books, incredible videos. And there's a website, creationworldview.org. Dr. Grady McMurtry is one of the contributors to that, a scientist who started out teaching atheism, who wanted to prove that God does not exist, and ended up knowing that evolution is a fairy tale for adults. Thank you. If you're interested in other similar types of videos, they can be found on my YouTube channel, The Truth Merchant. For those that are not familiar with how to find a channel on YouTube, obviously start in Google with a search bar. You type in youtube.com and that will bring you to the YouTube page, which has its own search bar. And if you type in there at The Truth Merchant -M4V, all lowercase, no spaces, that will then take you to a screen that looks like this. And maybe underneath that bar you will find the T for The Truth Merchant. If you don't find it there, then you go to filters, and filters is on the very right hand side of this menu bar. In some places it might just be 3 dots. But if you click on that, it brings up several columns, and you find the column that says type, and under type you find channel. You click on channel, and that then should take you to this channel of the Truth Merchant. So thank you very much. As always, comments are welcomed, and if not been taken off by YouTube, there are in total 11 videos that I've got going at the moment. Thank you and goodbye.